Simple sentences in Norwegian. Today we're going to learn how to make simple sentences in Norwegian. Let's start with the verbs. To say that someone does something in the present tense, we need to add "are" to the neutral form of the verb. That is, we need to add "are" to the infinitive. For example, å jobbe means to work. To say Mark works, we need to add "are" to the verb jobbe.
Mark jobber.
We also forget about the particle å. More examples. Å bo, to live.
Jeg bor.
I live. Å komme, to come.
Maria kommer fra Spania.
Maria comes from Spain. As you have noticed, the ending "are" is the same, no matter who we are talking about. I, you, we, they, Maria, Peter. The ending does not change. This rule applies to most of the verbs in Norwegian, but there are of course some exceptions. You already know the verb to be, å være. We change it to er in the present.
Jeg norsk.
I'm Norwegian. We will talk about other exceptions further in this course. Now, let's learn how to make simple sentences in Norwegian. The basic structure of a simple sentence in Norwegian we look into today is subject plus verb plus other information. A subject is a person or a thing that does the action in a sentence. A subject could be a thing, book, TV, car, or a person, girl, Maria, students. To make a simple sentence, place the subject on the first place and verb on the second. For example,
Jeg bor I Norge.
I live in Norway. Jeg is a pronoun and it is a subject. Bor, verb. I Norge, place.
Maria kommer fra Madrid.
Maria comes from Madrid. Maria is a subject. Kommer, verb.
Han norsk.
He is Norwegian. Han is a subject. Verb. So remember the basic rule. First, subject, then verb, then other information.